Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, go to System, scroll down to Recovery, open this menu, then click Reset PC. Now you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. The first option is more of a settings reset than a factory reset, because it doesn't really remove anything except for your apps and settings. Now if you select remove everything, you will start performing the factory reset operation. And one very important notice: keep your device plugged in during the entire operation, because if your device discharges during this operation, your device might break and will be unrecoverable. Okay, right now you can select either cloud download or local reinstall. If you select cloud download, you will get a fresh copy of Windows from the internet, and if you select local reinstall, your Windows will install from the system files. Now, if you want to sell your PC, or if you want to, or if your drive is corrupted, if your files are corrupted on your device, surely go with the cloud download. It takes quite a longer time than a local reinstall, but it's definitely worth it. If you want to get a clean copy of Windows, then surely go with the cloud. I'll go with local reinstall just because it's much faster. Next, select change settings, and here choose settings, and here you can choose the previous settings that I already explained to you, and also you can decide whether you just want to remove your files, which is quicker but less secure, or switch this toggle to the right and clean the drive completely. So basically, if you are selling your PC, then clean your drive completely for sure. But if you just want to reinstall your Windows, then you could go with the first option because it's much quicker. So if you don't want this operation to take hours, go with no. But if you want to sell your computer, then of course click yes. Or if you suppose you have some malware on your computer, then also click yes for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go with no, click confirm, then click next, and then wait for a while. After that, click reset, and the factory reset operation will begin. So at this point, just wait until the factory reset operation is finished, and don't forget to plug in the charging cable into your device. And that's basically it. After the factory reset operation is completed, you will proceed by performing a setup process. If you need to know how to perform a setup process properly on your PC, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.